This video/stream is sponsored by TradersCentral.com. Traders Central provide funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusively for communicating with your traders friends. Sign up using the link in the descriptions and get up to 30% off on your first plan. Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. We'll look at yesterday's analysis and find out whether the price action has respected those levels and has the price action moved to a different levels or whether it is trading within the levels we had analyzed yesterday. In today's analysis also I'll be sharing you the current support and resistance levels and present trend of the price action. Please use it as a reference for deciding on your trade entry and exit. Before that, let us look at the economic calendar for today. Today is Friday, June 10th, and we have lots of low impacting news planned for New Zealand dollar currency pairs, Japanese yen currency pairs, and yuan currency pairs, and euro currency pairs also. When we look at high impacting news, at 6 p.m. we have Canadian dollar related currency pairs high impacting news and US dollar related currency pairs high impacting news. Again at 7:30 p.m. we have medium impacting news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. So plan your trade entry and exit based on this economic calendar news schedules. Let us begin our analysis. Yesterday we had analyzed that from this level the price action started falling on a bearish trend reversal. I'll change the color of the line. And it has tested this resistance level, and from this level also it has started trading on a bearish trend. And we had noticed that after making a fall, it retraces to retest on this resistance line. Currently also it has completed its fall, and currently we are noticing a retracement to retest on this resistance line. This is the overall price action in 4 hours time frame. So the current trend of the price action is in a retracement to retest on this resistance line. After testing this resistance line, whether it is going to continue its bearish trend or whether it is going to break this resistance line is the next question. And if the price action breaks this resistance line, it is going to be the bullish trend reversal in 4 hours time frame. And if the price action bounces back on the bearish trend reversal, it will be the continuation of the bearish trend from the past price action. We also knew that we had a very strong resistance level around the level of 1915, and next level of resistance is going to be around 1870, and when we look at the support levels, the level of 1829 is going to be a very strong support. And if the price action breaks this support level, next level of support is going to be around 1798. So all these resistance levels and the support levels are taken from the past price action. This level of 1871 had acted as a very strong resistance level, and when we notice the level of 1830, this level also had acted as a very strong resistance level and support levels in the past price action. So that's why we are noticing the current price action to be struggling to break this resistance level or the support level. And in yesterday's analysis we also analyzed that the current price action was trading within a bullish channel pattern and it was trading in a bullish trend. So presently also when we look at the price action more closely, we have noticed the price action to form a shadow and then to bounce back on the bullish trend reversal, but again we are noticing the price action to retest on this support line or the trend line. So previously the price action had completed this bullish trend and currently it is in a bearish trend to retest on this support line or the trend line. It is only on a retracement. Only when the price action breaks this support line, we can expect a further fall on the price action and to retest on the higher time frame support level of 1828. And as long as this trend line or the support line of the bullish channel pattern is holding, we can expect the price action to take support on this trend line and to bounce back on the bullish side. But overall when we notice the range of the price action, it is becoming narrower and narrower. Soon we can expect a breakout from this support line or breakout from this resistance line from the higher time frame, which is going to be around 1870. So as per yesterday's analysis, the current price action is still trading within the bullish channel pattern. It has not broken the support line or the resistance line. The current price action is still trading on a sideways within the bullish channel pattern. Let us wait and see if the price action breaks this support line or whether it bounces back from this support line today. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, here we can notice that the price action had formed similar to an head and shoulder pattern, and it has completed this retracement also. Currently it is taking support on the bullish channel pattern support line from the 4 hours time frame. Since the pattern has been completed, we are noticing the price action to bounce back from this support line or the trend line. Wait for the price action to break this resistance line in order to take trades on the bullish trend reversal. It has to break this resistance line to get the confirmation on the trend reversal on the bullish side. Till then we can expect the price action to consolidate within this resistance and support line, and if the price action breaks this support line, we can expect it to take support on the higher time frame support level of 1829 and to bounce back on the bullish side. And if the price action bounces back, this trend line from the 4 hours time frame will be acting as a resistance line. And if the price action breaks this resistance line from the hourly time frame, we can expect it to take resistance at the 1870. So the price action in hourly time frame is under consolidation for now. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within these yellow color boxes are the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame. When we analyze the price action in 30 minutes time frame, it is under a consolidation within this resistance line from the hourly time frame and the support line from the 4 hours time frame. So wait for the price action to give a breakout on the bearish side or on the bullish side in order to enter into a directional trade. But still we know that from the higher time frame, the current price action is trading between the resistance level of 1871 to support level of 1829. It is a range bound market within which it is moving on a bullish side and in a bearish side. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now, and we have noticed a price action to bounce back from this resistance line from the hourly time frame. Since the price action is trading below this resistance line, we can expect the price action to retrace and retest on the 4 hours time frame support line or the trend line. It is still in a bearish trend as long as it is trading below this trend line from the 5 minutes time frame. And if the price action breaks this trend line, we can expect it to retrace up to the resistance line from the hourly time frame. Only when the price action breaks this resistance line, we can expect the bullish trend to start in 5 minutes time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this white color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. Currently we have noticed a price action to bounce back from this resistance line on a bearish trend. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.